Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to a Mazda video. Roll the intro, let's go. Actually, no, don't, stop. No intros needed, because this won't be a successful video. How to explain this? This will be a survey. I'll show you what's up and you tell me how far would you be ready to go to do this kind of thing. We're talking about seatbelts. We're talking about rear seatbelts. I'm sitting against the driver's seat, so you can see stuff has been removed. And right here will be a picture. That's the back of this seat. Now let's start from things where you could see or start to see. This has to come off. This top lifts up like that easily, but the bottom, that's a sad story. It all should look like this, but not stretched. So I still haven't figured out how to take it out properly. If you know how to, or have a little bit of knowledge how you did, leave it in the comments down below. So this first comes off, and then there is this bolted down. Somewhere right here, yeah, like this. This is bolted down with one screw, like this, and it's coming out. And then this is coming out. Now let me show you where the question comes, or where the warning comes for all of you. If you look inside, by pulling this outwards, see, there's more space, and you see the front of the tensioner. But the problem is the bolts, you cannot see the bolts from the front, so you cannot see the bolts like this, and from the back there's the metal plating you saw. So where the problem comes, this has to be removed. The cover, the foam has to be removed so we can access here. So how far are you willing to go to remove this seat belt? Or you want to undo it from the bottom, right here where it is, and pull it outwards and clean it? If you have any more information about this, then tell me in the comments down below. Now, are you willing? Do you want to see how to get all of this off and get this off, or that's too much of a hassle for you, you just leave it? Or you just stretch this out and clean it like that way. I thought of removing this to have a full clean. It looks like it's a long process. Now it's time for you to tell your voice. Speak up. What do you want to see? Do you want to see how I remove all of that? Or it's too big of a hassle and you would never do it? You tell me. Sorry for not a successful video, but this is how it goes in the car world. I'll see you in the comments. Bye bye.